What's up, my little crab cakes? And whoa, that's actually a good episode idea. All right, write that down. Wait, comment crab cakes below so I don't forget. What's up, my little crab cakes? And welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we got a very special episode. We just picked up a cookbook, Cravings by CHRISSY Teigen, and we're gonna make a dish out of it. We're gonna make the Cacio e Pepe. So my coworker Esther comes into work, right? She's all like, I made dinner last night. I'm like, what? What? You know, because she never makes dinner. But anyway, she's like, I want to start cooking dinner more, and I picked up this Cravings cookbook by CHRISSY Teigen. And I'm like, who's CHRISSY Teigen? So I started looking her up. Turns out she's really freaking cool. Also, she swears in her cookbook. I can get down with that. So I'm like, let's try some recipes from it. Let's make this thing. Recipe and link to the book are in the description below. All right, Cacio e Pepe. First thing we're gonna need is 12 ounces of dried spaghetti. All right, we got 5 quarts of boiling water in here. We're gonna heavily salt. We're gonna drop our pasta in and cook it al dente according to the package. About 11 minutes. All right, let's grab one of our nudes here. It's got the tiniest bite, it's perfect al dente. Let's reserve a cup of that pasta water and strain the rest. All right, next we gotta dice up a 1/4 pound of pancetta or bacon. All right, we gotta do some math. This whole thing is 1 pound and 8 ounces, so I think about right here. We'll save that for dessert. All right, let's just dice that up quick. All right, I think that's good enough. All right, let's throw our bacon into a large skillet. We're gonna cook that until it gets crispy, about 7 to 9 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go prep our other ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan. All right, let's see, is that a cup and a half? Nope, just great. All right, that's about 1.5 cups. Parmesan tip, if you're grating your own Parmesan and you have this little rind left, save it, drop it in some soup, get a ton of flavor from it. I came up with that tip. Just kidding, it's in CHRISSY Teigen's book. CHRISSY, is there anything you haven't thought of? Next we need 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Looks like about 1 lemon will do. All right, let's come back over here and check on our bacon. Looks pretty crispy to me. Now, she doesn't say to do this, but I'm gonna drain off a little bit of the fat. I'll leave a little bit in there. And so in the skillet, we're gonna put in 4 big cloves of minced garlic. That one looked a little small, so we're gonna do 5. All right. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 2 teaspoons of black cracked pepper. And we're just gonna cook that for 1 minute to let it get fragrant. Next, we're gonna add our lemon juice. And let's throw in our pasta. All right, give that a quick toss, loosen it up. Let's add our freshly grated parm. Let's give that another quick toss. And do you remember our pasta water? Do ya? Let's put some of that in, a couple tablespoons at a time. And a little bit more. We got a little bit of water left, but I don't think we need it. And this is looking nice and creamy. Let's add in 3 cups of baby arugula. Now let's just cook that for another minute until the arugula gets wilted. All right, that's looking good. All right, let's get this on a plate. Do the old plate spin trick. Let's top that off with some red crushed pepper, some ground black pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. And you got CHRISSY Teigen's Cacio e Pepe. All right, CHRISSY, let's try this. Oh, yep, that is amazing. You get a nice hit of pepper. It's so creamy from this Parmesan. You got this fatty bacon in here, but it's all cut with the lemon juice. Nice job, CHRISSY. More like Cacio e Pepe, am I right? Huh? CHRISSY? CHRISSY Teigen's Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe. And shout out to coworker Esther for showing me the dish and the book. Nice job, coworker Esther. Alright, well, comment down below, say what's up. Let's talk, my little crab cake. And if you're new and you want to see more, consider subscribing. Thank you.